Okay guys, welcome back to my videos. Now in today's video we are going to look at how to transfer funds from one team member to another. So there is a member here who asked a question that how to transfer funds to team member. It is giving me set payment processor from profile page. So what you do, you log into your account. This is my account. You can see overview. And then if you look here, it was telling him that please set payment processor from profile page. So if we are to go to my account, this is the profile. So you go to profile here, it opens. Now you make sure that you fill in everything that is missing out here, including the profile picture. I selected this image as my profile picture. Fill in everything, the names, the payment processor, there is coin to send. Now here we have three. We have perfect money, coin payments, and coin to send. So fill in everything here. Now there is also another trick. You might fill in everything and still the transfer fails. So where you see payment processor here, you can interchange. For example, if it was coin payments, you change it to coin to send. Or if it was coin to send, you change it to coin payments. And then you go down here, you enter the captcha. Enter the captcha. Let me put 2B9. And then I submit. After submitting, it will tell me that updated successfully. Now if I'm to go back to my overview, my profile will be at 100%. So we tried sending funds from one member to another when the profile was not 100% and it couldn't send. So you make sure that it is at 100%. Now mine is at 100%. I can try sending funds. So what we do, go to finance, go to balance transfer. Under balance transfer, this is what I have in my cash balance. This is what I have in my repurchase balance. So we go under balance transfer here. It says from balance, there is only one option here. You can only transfer from the cash balance. And then to balance, you can only transfer to the cash balance of the other member. You can't transfer to the repurchase. Then you transfer to, here you choose, there is username and also user ID. So if you know the username, you choose username and you put in username. Maybe toy. If you know the user ID, you choose user ID and you put the number, maybe 500. So after choosing that, you put in the transfer amount, maybe $30. Now you see that they will deduct some fees from it, 5% on that transfer. So it will mean that that person will only receive $28.5 US dollars after the transfer, because the system will deduct 5% from that. So then after doing that, you click on transfer and the money will go to the account. So that is how we transfer funds from one account to another. Let us go back and we try to summarize this. First of all, the profile has to be complete 100% here. Then the second thing, it might be complete but still fails to send. So you have to come to payment processor here and switch between coin payments and coin to send. So that's another trick that we discovered. So that's it. That's how we send funds from one account to another. So in another video, maybe we shall look at something else. So thanks guys.